Hey, welcome to RTC. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can merge or combine drives in your Windows PC. As you see here, these are all of my drives available. I have Drive E and Drive F, which we are trying to combine or merge. So to do that, on your search bar, type partition, and click this search result. Click this to open. Then a disk management window will open. Here, we have all the drives showing up. So we are going to merge Drive E and Drive F. Be sure you do a backup first, because you have to delete this drive before merging it. So to do that, simply right-click Drive F and click on Delete Volume. Then click Yes. Now notice the drive will become unallocated. Next, right-click Drive E and select Extend Volume. Hit Next. Now you will see here under Selected box the unallocated space. So just click Next, then hit Finish. Notice the allocated space is Merge on Drive E. So let's check the drive on File Explorer. And there you go. Cool, right? I would appreciate if you hit subscribe and like button. You can also leave a comment down below and let us know if this video helps you out. Thanks.